Hello all, I am Nikhil Jain from Electronics and Communication Department of Arya College of Engineering and IT. Today we are going to discuss advanced coprocessors. It is covered in the subject microcontroller with code 4EC405 under the syllabus prescribed by Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Today our topic is advanced coprocessor architectures. Basically we are having following advanced coprocessors, namely 80286, 80486, and 80586, also called Pentium processor. In our syllabus, we are having 80486 and 80586. In this lecture, we will discuss about 80486 coprocessor. 80486 is an advanced coprocessor. It is also called math coprocessor. Features of 80486 include it has 32-bit it is 32-bit 80486, and it is the next evolutionary step up from the 80386. We can say that the 80486 is the advanced version of 80386. This coprocessor is essentially the same as the 80387 processor, which is used with 80386, but being integrated on the chip, it allows to execute math instructions about 3 times as fast as 80386 and 387 combination. Next is internal block diagram of 80486. Internal block diagram has been shown in the next slide, and these are some basic functional units like bus interface unit, cache unit, prefetcher unit, instruction decoding unit, control unit, floating point unit, execution unit, segmentation unit, paging unit. It is the architecture of 80486. We can see basic units which have been discussed here are depicted in this architecture. From exam point of view, 80486 and 586 both are important, and we can have question in the form of short note on these coprocessors. First one is bus interface unit. It is BIU, also called bus interface unit, and it is responsible for memory access, input output access, coprocessor interface, and address relocation. Next is it consists of 32-bit address and 32-bit data lines, which are bidirectional in nature. Bus control unit is used to provide this synchronization between address and data bus. Here, burst indicates speed of operation, and it also controls the size of bus. Since it has 32-bit data lines, means it is 32-bit processor. It also consists of parity generation and control, which is by DP0 to DP3. Another unit is cache unit. Cache unit contains the recent used instructions, data, or both. Means previously used instructions or what instructions we have used earlier are all kept in the cache unit. Instructions, data, as well as data. The microprocessor unit access code and data from the cache instead of memory, and it requires very less time and system performance increases to great extent. Prefetcher unit. It is responsible for instruction fetching, and it fetches 32 bytes of code in queue. Means whenever there is a requirement of instruction fetching, prefetcher unit is responsible for that. Instruction unit is responsible for instruction decoding, which is derived to control unit. Means the purpose of instruction unit is to decode the instruction given by the programmer. It will decode that instruction and perform according to that instruction. Control unit. This unit controls and protect the instruction. It will check and detect the error if any, then show the instructions. Means to make our program error free is the purpose of control unit. It will identify the errors, then tell the programmer, then programmer will have to rectify it so that our program will run smoothly. The control ROM will save the micro instructions which are derived for the execution. Floating point unit, it carries out the mathematical data processing at higher speed as compared to ALU with its built-in floating point algorithm. The floating point unit and the register set communicate with bus interface unit under the control of memory management unit via its 64-bit internal data bus. Next is execution unit. It consists of barrier shift register which perform shift and rotate instructions. Means shift and rotate instructions where shifting bit by bit, either it is from left to right or right to left, and rotate instructions, these all are executed by execution unit. Execution unit consists of ALU, means arithmetic and logical unit, which perform arithmetic and logical operations. It also registers file in which result of the instruction is saved. Segmentation unit translate the logical address to the linear address and provide segment level protection. Next is paging unit. Paging unit translate the linear address into the physical address and passes that address to the BIU to perform the memory and input output access. It also consists of translation look aside buffer, which works similar to virtual memory as in 8086. That's all for 80486 coprocessor. In the next class, we will discuss about 80586 Pentium processor. These all processors are important from the exam point of view. As already told to you, you can have one out of these two in the form of short note. Till then, take care. Bye bye.